Hello students, in today's video I am going to explain you simple past tense. Now question comes in the mind, when to be used simple past tense. So we use simple past to talk about the thing that had happened in the past at a specific time. So for that purpose we use simple past tense. Okay. Now let us see. Subject first. Subject are of three types, okay, which is divided into two parts. Here subject, it is divided into two parts, singular and plural. Okay. First of all, what is first person? Okay. So person who speak is known as first person. The person who speak is known as first person. And in the first person, in singular we use I and in plural we use we. Okay. Now what is second person? Okay. The person to whom we are speaking, okay, is known as a second person, and in singular we use you and here in plural we use you. Now you all are little bit in confusion that when we have to use this you and when we have to use this one you. Okay. So in singular, okay, in singular we use this, and for more than one person, for one we will use this you and more than one we will use this you. Okay. Now third person. What is meant by third person? So third person means the person to whom we are speaking about. Okay. The person to whom we are speaking about, and in singular we use he, she, it or any name. Okay. And in plural we use they. Okay. Now let's know about the formula for the simple past tense. For the simple past tense, our formula is subject, then verb to means past form, and then an object. Okay. This verb means what? An action word. Okay. This verb, it means that an action word. Okay. So from example you will understand in a better way. Here I have used I, you, we, they. Okay. He, she, it and Sam. And here went and to school. Okay. So I will make my sentence with Sam. Okay. I will make my sentence with Sam. Sam went to school means this action has already taken place in the past and we are talking about it. So went is the past form of go. Okay. It means the go is the verb 1. Okay. Past form of verb 2. Okay. Past form, it means that verb 2 which is went. Okay. Then comes gone. Okay. Then comes gone. Go, went and gone. So this one is known as V3. Okay. But we will remove this. We are going to use V2. Okay. We are going to use V2, that's why we will remove others. Go and gone we will remove. Okay. remaining parts will be wiped out. So, the sentence would be like this: Sam went to school. Okay. Now, take a look at some example. I played football. Here you can see what is our formula for the simple past tense. So, our formula for the simple past tense is subject plus verb to and then object. Here we have a sentence, I played football. Where is subject here? I. I is our subject. Played, it means that verb to, and football, it is an object. Okay, object. You played football. You, it means that here subject. Played, again it is verb to, and then football, it is our object. We is subject. Played, we do, football, an object. They, subject, played football. Played, we two, and football, it is our object. Same like I have used a different kind of a subject, he, she and Sam. Okay. With name also you can make your sentence, Sam played football. So, here with a different subject I have tried to make sentence on a simple past tense. So, I think students you all get properly. Thank you.